So there's so many people out there that can't get their kids to be able to swim. So we're going to teach them how to swim. Will you help me, Natalie?
Yes.
What we're going to do first is we're going to show everyone how do we do a glide. Gliding is the most important thing you can learn first when you're swimming, right, Natalie? For the water. So we start with.
I want to get in the water.
We're going to go real quick, okay? Make a ticklefish sandwich, and show me how you growl to the fishes. And show me how you catch a cloud up high. And catch a cloud. Where's the clouds? Catch it. Catch one. With your mouth. No. Growl to the fishes. Okay, so we're going to do ticklefish. We're going to do ticklefish sandwiches. We're going to do growl to the fishes. Catch a what? A mouse?
Yes.
Catch a cloud. Show me. Okay. And show me how you catch a cloud up high. Ticklefish sandwich. Put your arms out. Do a glide. How do you do a glide? Ticklefish sandwich out here. And get your kicks behind you. Kick, Dusty. Kick. Get them behind you. And growl to the fishes. Catch a cloud up high to the sky. And growl to the fishes. Okay, now on the way back, you get to show me how you do it all by yourself, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, and growl to the fishes. Catch a cloud up high. And growl to the fishes. Catch a cloud up high. And growl. So if your child has just a bad reaction to water on the face when you pour water on their head, we need to focus on that first. I think these inflatable pools, these small pools, is really the solution to help you as a parent that maybe you don't have access to a pool very easily. You need to have access to a small body of water. A bathtub is great, but what if you want to practice outside and where it's a lot more fun? You can actually have your kid pick out one of these inflatable pools and be part of it and use their imagination to get something that they're really interested in, and that will help them to be more excited about doing things that make them uncomfortable, like getting their heads wet or getting their hair wet sometimes. And in some cases, just a little bit of a spray like that will be enough to incite anxiety and fear in a lot of kids. So you have to find a way to make this kind of stuff fun. What if you could get a sprayer like this and just mist them? This is actually a great fun way to play with water, right? Or if you were to do even a bigger, stronger stream, they're going to think that this is the most hilarious thing and most fun thing in the world. So if you can get a sprayer and make it rain on them, and then get a pool that they get to actually pick out, you might find that your scared kid is now becoming very engaged in what you're doing. 1, 2, wait for 3, Unit the Unicorn. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we just wide. 1, 2, 3. You have to get the water on your face when you're on your belly for all that worry to go away. It's so important. You can do this in the bathtub, or you can do this inside of a unicorn. 1, 2, 3. This is great, so I can play right on my belly. I can get used to how the water holds me. This is great. And then I can even sing to the fishes. If you sing in the fishes, means you keep your mouth closed and you blow air out of your nose. Or you can hum, like Unit the Unicorn. And you catch a cloud.